Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Solve for the value of x minus y given the following equations. We have 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y equals 1 and 4 raised to x minus 4 raised to y equals 5 over 3. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. We have 20 seconds and timer starts now. Time's up. Now let's answer this question together. So our goal here is to solve for the value of x minus y. So to do that, let's get the second equation. Now the question is why we choose the second equation instead of the first equation. Now here's the reason. Now notice that 4 can be written as 2 squared. And this 4 is also 2 squared. And now we will apply some laws of exponent. If we have b raised to n raised to the power of m, it is equivalent to b raised to m raised to the power of n. Thus, the term 2 raised to 2 raised to x can be written as 2 raised to x raised to 2. And this 2 raised to 2 raised to y can be written as 2 raised to y raised to 2. Now, since we have a square number minus another square number, therefore, we can use the difference of two squares. So, if we have a squared minus b squared, it is equivalent to a minus b times a plus b. Therefore, the left-hand side of our equation can be written as 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y multiplied by 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y. Now, here comes the first equation comes into play because we know that 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y equals 1. Thus, this 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y is just 1. And 1 times 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y is just 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y. Therefore, we have two equations in terms of 2 raised to y and 2 raised to x. Now, let's first solve the value of 2 raised to x. To do that, let's add both equations. If we do that, we cancel out 2 raised to y and negative 2 raised to y. This will give us a result of 2 times 2 raised to x equals 5 over 3 plus 1 or simply 8 over 3. Now, divide both sides by 2. This will give us the value of 2 raised to x as 4 over 3. Now, let's set aside this result. Now, let's choose one equation to solve for 2 raised to y. Now, let's pick the first equation. So, we have 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y equals 5 over 3. Now, we know that the value of 2 raised to x must be 4 over 3. Now, subtract 4 over 3 on both sides. This will give us the value of 2 raised to y as 1 over 3. Now, don't forget our goal. Our goal is to find the value of x minus y. So, to achieve that, take note of this law of exponent. If we have b raised to n over b raised to m, it is equivalent to b raised to n minus m. Therefore, if we divide these two equations, we get 2 raised to x over 2 raised to y equals 4 over 3 over 1/3. And 2 raised to x over 2 raised to y will give us 2 raised to x minus y. So, applying this law of exponent, and it's equivalent to 4 over 3 over 1/3 or simply just 4. Now, take note that 4 is just 2 squared. And now, since we have the same base and they are equal, it follows that their exponent must be equal. Therefore, we can say that the value of x minus y must be 2. Therefore, the value of x minus y given this equation, 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y equals 1, and 4 raised to x minus 4 raised to y equals 5 over 3 is simply equal to 2. And as always, we are done.